Seedance 2.5 is officially here on Lumina. This time, I wanted to push it further than a straight generation, turn an actual painting into a real place. A painter finishes a cityscape on canvas. The camera pushes straight through it, and the brushstrokes give way to a real street, a real skyline. A bird catches the shot from there, weaving through the buildings until it settles on one lit window high above the city. One continuous 30-second sequence. Let's see if it actually holds together. Lumina is where the newest video and image models land first. Generation, references, and editing tools all in one workspace. So here we are on the Lumina homepage. Over on the left-hand menu, I'll select Video, choose Seedance 2.5, and click Text to Video. Before I write anything, let's get the references ready. Seedance 2.5 expands this to up to 50 multimodal references, so instead of one vague sentence, I can hand it a full visual plan. I've got 6 references for this one: my own avatar for the painter's likeness, the studio for the room and light, the painted city style, the realistic city it needs to become, the bird that guides the shot, and the warmly lit window for the ending. This test is really asking one thing. Will Lumina actually use all of these? Let's write this out. He's working in the studio, same room, same window light. I'm careful here to point the model at the room itself, not whatever's already sitting on that canvas in the reference photo. As he steps back to check his work, let's actually see his face this time. That's new. Last project, the character stayed turned away the whole time. So here, I'm writing in a specific beat. He steps back, the camera drifts around him, his face is clearly visible, then it settles back on the canvas. The painting itself should match my style reference exactly. Same skyline, same brushwork. And then the big one. The camera pushes into the canvas, and instead of a hard cut to the real city, I want it to dissolve. Texture by texture, edge by edge, brushstrokes resolving into photoreal detail. From there, the bird takes over, guides the shot through the street, and leads us to one specific window. Not the whole building, just one, where the light fades to dusk. Now I tag all 6 reference photos directly into the prompt. I set it to 720p, 16:9, 30 seconds, and generate. And there's our first pass. Let's look at it properly. Let's go through it. Painter's face, clearly visible when he turns. There, the dissolve from canvas to city, smooth, no jump cut. The bird, consistent the whole way through. The window ending lands exactly where I wanted. One thing though, the painting on the canvas itself isn't the cityscape I referenced. Everything else nailed it, but that one detail didn't carry through. Which is actually the perfect setup for the next test. Here's how precise, targeted edits work inside Lumina, and it happens entirely inside Canvas. Let's open Canvas and click Try Canvas to open its board. Over in Canvas, I add a video node and upload our result. Clicking into it brings up frame capture. I grab the first frame, then every frame where the painting is clearly visible, and add them all to the canvas. For each frame capture, there's a draw tool. I click it, highlight just the painting area, and add that to the canvas too. I do this for every frame I captured. Now I upload the reference painting, the actual cityscape I want on that canvas. For each drawn frame, I add an image node, wire in the reference painting, and write the instruction: use the masked frame as the base, replace only what's inside the mask with the reference painting, matching its composition, colors, and brushwork. Everything outside the mask stays untouched. I tag both the drawn frame and the reference painting directly in that prompt and generate. I do this for every drawn frame.
And now every one of those frames shows the painting I actually wanted.
Last step, a new video node wired to all of these corrected frames plus our original video. In the task type options, I select Video Editing. I write the final instruction. The corrected stills define the canvas painting. The original video defines everything else. Only the canvas updates. I tag everything in and generate. And there it is! Same video, same everything, just the right painting on the canvas now. That canvas route works, but it's a lot of steps for what's really one change. So let's try the exact same fix a different way and compare. First, I switch to video editing mode. Then I select the finished video and the reference painting photo and type it straight in. Replace the painting on the canvas with the cityscape from my reference photo, matching its composition, colors, and brushwork. And I specify the 0 to 12 second range, since that's the window where the painting is actually visible. Everything else in the scene stays exactly as it is. Then I tag both the video and the painting directly in the prompt. Ratio and duration on auto since I'm editing the existing clip. And generate. Look at that! Same fix, same painting, but one prompt instead of a whole node setup. That's the real comparison worth seeing. One more test. Seedance 2.5's improved language support. 10 seconds, 2 lines, casual delivery. Wait, that's actually way faster than I expected. A brief pause. Check this out. Duration, ratio, and 720p, same as before. Here's the original.
Wait, that's actually way faster than I expected.
Here's the same prompt written in Portuguese, Indonesian, and Japanese. Let's generate the Japanese one. And there it is.
待って。思ったよりずっと早いんだけど。
Second angle. I upload the video, switch to video editing mode, and write the instruction. I take the English clip we already generated and replace the dialogue directly in that finished video, this time into French. Then I will tag the video reference in the prompt.
Attends, c'est vraiment beaucoup plus rapide que sa voix je m'attendais.
New language, new lip sync, everything else in the shot untouched. 2 completely different paths. One built the scene in another language from the ground up, the other revoiced an existing performance. Sign up and you get free credits right away. Push further with the 99-cent starter pack, and right now, there's a bonus running too. Up to 50% off monthly plans, plus 7 minutes of free 480p generation, just for joining. Links in the description. Go try it. And let me know in the comments, what story would you tell first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.